Hey guys, what's happening? Okay, so today's just going to be a real quick carving. I'm not going to get into details or nothing like that. I'm going to carve this, not even filming carving it, but I'm going to point out some errors that I think the new carvers are making that I can tell from the pictures that they're sending me. So I'm going to make it so like I'm making those errors, and I'm going to show you how I correct them and how you could probably correct them too. You know what I mean? This is for the beginning wood carver, but this is a beautiful piece of spalted maple my good friend gave me. Look at the color of that. Spalted means it's starting to rot, but it's not rotten. You know what I mean? It's a little bit punky. It's soft wood. You know what I mean? It doesn't feel like foam though, so it's going to be real soft to carve. And this isn't going to be a detailed carving. I'm not going to carve the hairs and the mustache or anything like that, because I want it to be an open grain carving. But I'm going to challenge myself in this carving. You know, maybe I'll just give this guy a chin or something. I may not even do a mustache. We'll see how it goes, but I'll try and show you the errors that I think the new carvers are kind of making. Only in my opinion. Watch other wood spirit videos, guys, and keep the pictures coming for your new carvings, for your new wood spirit carvings. Once I hit 100, I'm going to make a video of all the new wood spirit carvers. I think I'm at like 70 now, so we'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, look at that beautiful color in there. I'll be the first to admit, this thing is not easy carving, but I love the color so much. This is all spalting, right? Some kind of fungus that gets in the wood after it's dead. I think it's dead. But I've run into, on this piece, I've run into some real soft spots. I've carved, like you can see this side of the face is way not as thick as this side, because this was all soft wood in here. I've carved it all out. This face was supposed to be a lot thicker, like it was supposed to come out to here. You know, I had to carve all this in too. So this is what I'm talking about with the mouth. Let me see if I can get some better lighting here. Lighting, people, really important. Undercut in here. You know what I mean? Cut way deep in there with a thin bit. You see, separate it from the chin, from the mustache, sorry. Can you see here? I'm going to cut way deeper in there to separate it, so it doesn't look like, because some of you guys, when you're carving it, it just rides up onto the mustache, like this. Rides up. But cut it down and cut deep in so it separates the bottom lip from the mustache, okay? Another thing too. You see how the eyebrows are the same height as the nose? I'm going to cut all this down. I'm going to cut all these farther down. Just going to get rid of it. So the nose is the highest piece off the face. So this is going to be cut like a 90 degrees in there. You know what I mean? So it will be cut like this. And then the nose will be the highest point sticking out. And then hopefully I can make up for some of the lost face that I lost in that rotten wood. But when you're carving the spalted stuff, people, you got to do real easy carving, really light, because if you hit a soft piece of wood, well, it's power carving with these bits. I'm using the saber tooth aggressive bit, the green ones. You know, if you hit a soft spot, it will just boom, dig right in, and you'll lose that wood. But you see, I'm going to cut all the way deeper in there. So I got to cut all this back now. And then the bridge of the nose. Cut this lower too. Once this is cut down, make the bridge of the nose right here lower than the eyebrows. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can get a quick pen here. You can start your eyebrows, like I'm just trying to help out, guys. You can start your eyebrows straight across, you know, but cut all this lower. So your eyebrows will pop out after you take it down. You know, the bridge of the nose should be lower than the eyebrows. So what I will do, once this is all cut out on that angle, bridge of the nose will come like that. Then your nose, you make it slope like a pig nose, whatever you want. I don't know. I'll shut up. Okay, can you see how I cut all that back now? Now I gotta redraw my eyes in, right? And I gotta cut this forehead back down, but can you see the nose sticks off the highest point now? So there you go. I'm wearing a dust mask for this wood, people. It's you know, you don't want to get this fungus in your lungs, right? So wear your dust mask all the time anyways. To my great friend who gave me this piece of wood. When I took it away, were you laughing and saying like, let's see him carve this piece? Were ya? Because this by far was definitely the most challenging piece of wood I ever carved. You know, for all the people that don't know spalted wood, all the different colors in here, like there's black, there's white, there's black, there's brown. They're all different hardnesses. Do you know what I mean? Like each one's different, like I said, hardnesses. So all along here was all really soft, like I could pick it apart with my finger, and even in there. But you know, I'm absolutely thrilled with the way it turned out. I love it. This sucker, I'm going to epoxy his eyes red because it will remind me how hard this was to carve. So guys, there it is. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, and yeah, if you carve spalted wood, make sure it's not that spalted, like. But anyways, it just goes to show you, challenge yourself. Carve any, free wood's the best wood. Free wood's the best wood. Free wood's the best wood. Carve free wood. Carve free wood is the best wood. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Yeah, this is definitely the hardest, not hardest and softest and medium woods that I've carved. But, oh shit, what was I going to say? Yeah, I said I was going to carve like a grumpy old man with like a kind of lip on the bottom, like a lip. But it didn't end up happening because I had so much challenging different things to do with the wood, right? So it just came out like that, like a wood spirit. But I'm going to be practicing the grumpy old man. I want to start carving faces without the mustaches and the beards, right? I want to progress, and I feel like it's time to. So that's what I mean by progressing, people. Challenge yourself. Okay, so yeah.